US30 this week has been choppy a little bit because the price has gone up and then formed several indecision candles, and then the price made a breakout to the downside, where we can see the price has dropped down significantly on a Wednesday, and on the Thursday has formed this also a bearish pin bar where the price started to fall down and the price has reached 37247. After that the price returned back up and we can see that the price has closed very close to these two candles open and close, but we can see a little bit more clearly the price has found enough strength to close a little bit lower than these two candles open and close. So on the weekly time frame we can see that the price has reached almost 38,000, which is all-time high, and also very important psychological level for the bulls and also for the sellers. So the price has dropped down and we can see that the price on the weekly time frame has closed below previous week close, and also the price did not close below this one, which is a very important level currently acting as a support at 37386. Now if you go to the monthly time frame we can see that after 2 strong months the price started to drop down in value, and we have only 1 week that has passed in this month, so it's still open. We cannot make a easy conclusion and also very clear conclusion where the price could go, but what is important to see is that the price has dropped down a little bit from this great supply zone here where the resistance is. So a little bit much more clear information will be on the daily time frame, which is much more important to see right now. But what you can see on the weekly time frame, this is how the market looks. A small bearish candle that has been formed. So what is in front of it is this one, 37400 and also 37300, very important support levels for the price. If the price goes above 37669, this will be also a return inside the bullish mode. But for now as it looks, we can see that very important level for the price is 37600, which is a critical level for the sellers. If they do not hold this one, the price will continue to rise in value. But for the bulls, very important level to hold is this one here around 37118, which is a support level, and what we have seen on the weekly is 37300, very important level. If it drops below this one, this will mean that the price will continue to fall down even more. But as it looks right now, it looks as bears that are inside the market, and probably we could see the price dropping even more down, but we need to see the candles closing below this one where the currently price is. So for the next week we need to see a breakout above this one and also below this one in order to see the price moving in any of these directions. So if you would like to see, for the next week I also will share a daily analysis, so each day I will check also how the market looks, and I'll put also my comment inside the trading community. The link for the trading community will be below the video inside the description, so feel free to check it. And if you like the video, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.